channel. So as you can see today, things got a little artsy around here. Thinking of maybe some fun ways to shoot fun content around the house, and I bought these little paper butterflies from Amazon a while back. I've been wanting to do a photo shoot like this, haven't gotten around to doing it yet. My idea was to like take a lot of these butterflies and put them all over myself. It's a Saturday, it's chill, not much else to do. We'll create some fun content. The photos from this will be up on my Instagram. Make sure that if you all don't follow me on Instagram yet, that you go do that, because my Instagram is like, it's my place. I've been on Instagram the longest of any social media platform, and it's where I really like share the most. So if you've been watching me for a while and you enjoy my videos, I know you'll enjoy my Instagram as well. So go follow me there. I'll put my handle right up there for you. Also a link down in the description box. Was 90% expecting this to be a total flop. I'm shocked at how it turned out. Before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join my fam. Love to have you here. And without further ado, let me just show you how I achieved this look. I'm still so shocked and impressed that I actually pulled this off. So all right, let's get started. I'm using this Nomad palette. It's called Marrakesh. I absolutely love the colors in here. But I go into this bright yellow color called Argan Fruit, and you just want to put this in your crease and spread it over into the inner part of your eye. Next, taking a more stiff bristled brush, you're going to grab this orange shade, which is actually called Red City, and pack this on to your lid. You really want to build up this color as much as you can. Now I'm just grabbing the fluffy brush that I used for that first yellow color, and I'm just going to blend out between the orange and the yellow to make it a little bit more seamless. I sort of alternated between this blending and then packing on a little bit more orange on the lower part of my lid to get that perfect ombre effect. To further deepen up this lid shade, I took an even shorter bristled brush into Cafe Arave and put that close to my lash line on my lid. I went back into the orange shade and just put it a little bit further up into the crease. You just really want to work for that ombre effect from red to orange to yellow and blend it as much as you can. All right, easy part done. This is what about you want your lids to look like. Now it's time for the hard part. Grab a black liquid liner with a tip that you know you can be precise with. I chose this Neutrogena liquid eyeliner. Go ahead and get yourself warmed up by just lining your eyes. You know, we just gotta warm up here. Just line your eyes to start. Next, I start by driving the curve of the top of the butterfly wing up, way up by my eyebrow. And don't do all this in one fell swoop, just kind of go lightly and just keeping the shape. Unless you're a true artist with a steady hand, just keep making light little strokes and keep going in the direction you want to go. You can even everything out later. Now we're making the little cut of the top part of the butterfly wing. You want the bottom part to match up to your regular eyeliner. Once you've achieved this basic outline, it's time to start thickening this outline and also bringing in the smaller details inside. If you're a hooded eye babe like me, sometimes it's helpful to just pull your eye up to make your skin more tight so that you don't make any mistakes and the lines and everything that you do is more precise. As you start thickening the outline, it's good to start drawing the little veins that go inside of the wing, these little fine black lines, but be very careful when you do this because you do not want to mess up here. At this point, you're ready to fill in that outline to give it its full black thickness. And to do this, you can either just keep using your liquid eyeliner, but what I suggest is actually at this point, once you've established the outline and made it smooth, to get a eyeliner pencil, which will be darker and it will give you a little bit more of the coverage and the depth of color that you want. See, that's more like it. This is the Urban Decay eyeliner pencil. I love it, and it gives much more deep black color than those pens, plus you're not using up all the ink from the pens on something that you don't need to be using it up on. Next, it's time to start on the bottom part of the wing. So again, don't do one swoop, just go in short strokes. You can smooth it out and make it look better later. Happy little wings, happy little wings.
of learning my lesson on the top part of the wing, I'm just going ahead and filling in this with the pencil instead of the liner pen. Now that the shape of the wing is established, go back into your palette, grab that yellow color, and you're going to start at your lash line and blend it out to the edges of the wing. But mirroring what you did on the top part of your eye, you're going to take that orange color again and put that close to your lash line and blend it midway down this wing shape. After doing this, you may need to go back over your wing with your black pencil and just reinforce that black color a little bit. Next, add in your fine black veins to the bottom as you did the top. As you can see at this point, I'm starting to get very impressed with myself. For the little white dots on the wing, I used this white Maron paint. This is the best thing that I had to do this, but if you have like a really opaque white eyeliner, you could also use that. With this, you want to be very delicate and you want the dots to be of different sizes, so some big, some small, and spread them out and make them look kind of uneven. Oh yeah, I killed it, I know. For the inner corners, I took the Feelin' Fine palette from BCBG Generation. If you want to see my video showing you how to use this palette, I'll put it in the cards up there, but I used this gold color for my inner corners because it's very shiny. And the Marrakesh palette doesn't really have a great inner corner color in my opinion. Don't forget to add it to that brow bone. That color was not really popping for me enough, so I took this highlight from this Pixie highlight palette that I love, and wow, that made all the difference. It was shining. Your eyes might be cute, but don't forget those brows. I'm using this Maybelline brow pencil. I love this. It's so affordable, and honestly, I've had this forever. It lasts so long. I honestly feel like I might be the last person on earth who does their brows last, but that's just how I am. I feel like it just makes more sense. Et voilà, regardez-vous les papillons. How do you like my bad French? Who out there is French and can correct me? I had a hard time picking my lippy, but in the end I ended up going with the Too Faced Gingerbread Man color. I love it. It's the perfect brownie orange that really was the perfect complement to this eye look, in my opinion. I also have to mention it smells divine. It smells like gingerbread. I'm obsessed with this color so much. And there you have it. I did it! I hope you all enjoyed this beauty tutorial. I feel very accomplished and proud of myself. The beauty of this is you could do your butterfly wings in honestly any color combination you wanted. You could get really creative with it. I just wanted to go for the classic Monarch style. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because you know you totally vibed with this video and me, and we're gonna be friends. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!